Good morning everyone. We are in the 7th lesson of 2nd PUC. So here the lesson name is Sa Shantihi. So if you see the heading Sa Shantihi, you can easily identify that there are two words. One is Sa and the other one is what? Shantihi. Then, so Shantihi, what does it mean? Yeah, Shantihi, which means peace. You know that the meaning of this word must be peace, should be peace. But we can use this word as a name of a person, of a girl also, right? We have heard those kind of names also earlier in the different lessons, or we have seen some people who have Shanti as a name, etc. So what is this Sa mean? Sa is come from a word Tat. There is a word in Sanskrit, Tat. When we use this Tat in Pullinga, the Tat word will become Saha. For example, Saha Purushaha or Saha Vrikshaha and whatever, Saha Devaha, etc. The same word will be used in the Strilinga, then that word will become Sa. That is what they have used here, Sa. Okay. Sa Mala or Sa Lekhani or Sa Ankani or Sa Balika, in that way Sa Shantihi. Then if we use that Tat word as it is, like Tat Phalam or Tat Pushpam, then it will be Napumsakalinga, we know. So then what is the meaning of this complete word or this heading Sa Shantihi? Yes, which means she is Shantihi, or there is a girl, that girl is Shanti, that way. So let us take she is Shanti. Okay, we'll see the lesson now. Yeah, Sa Shanti, they are saying Anudita Katha. Anuditam, which means translation or translated. The story which is translated is called Anudita Katha. Anuditam is translation. So as we know, Pitika, the beginning of the lesson, in every lesson they have told us why they are giving this lesson. Okay, so Vishwabhashasu Sanskritam Atyanta Prachinatamam. What they are saying, Sanskrit language is one of the oldest, Prachina Tamam, oldest languages in the world. Vishwabhasasu, Bhashasu. If we take all the languages and if we segregate them their age wise, when that particular language has started, in that way if we start separating them or segregating them, we will find only some countable languages as the oldest one. So one of the oldest languages is Sanskrit around the world. That's what they are. Atyanta Prachinatamam, very old. Vishwabhasasu, among the languages of the world. Sanskritam, yeah, Sanskrit language. Then Samskrita Bhashayam Padya Kavyam Gadya Kavyam Api Vipulam Asti. So in this Sanskrit, or in this Sanskrit language, or in this Sanskrit literature, there are many Padya Kavyas, there are many poets, as well as there are many Gadyas. Gadyas means like prose literatures. Like for example, Padya Kavyam can be any poets, like any poems. We can say, Ramayana, Valmiki Ramayanam is a Padya Kavya. If you take Gadya Kavya, we can say Dashakumara Charitam. These kind of things are Gadya Kavyas. Vipulam means many. Vipulam, which means many. Okay. Then they are giving some names over here. You need to remember Subandhuhu, Banabhattaha, Dandi, Ityadayah Kavayah Prasiddhaha Vartante. So in the Sanskrit literature, there are many famous authors or poets. Some of them are Subandhu, Banabhatta or Dandi, etc. etc. are very famous. Evamev adhunikakale api gadyasahityam avicchinnataya pravahati. So how in the olden days there was a flow of the literature of Sanskrit, the same way, evameva, in the same way, adhunika kale api, in this modern age also, adhunika kala, in this modern age also, gadya sahityam, this prose literature might not be the poet style of writing is there now, but Gadya Sahityam, prose style of writing, Avicchinnataya Pravat, it flows. Vichinna means, something, cut, or because of obstacle, it stopped flowing. There is no obstacles for this flow. It's flowing without having any, cuts in between. So, Avicchinnataya Pravahati. Teshu Adhunika Lekhakeshu Kirtisheshah Dr. B.S. Ramakrishna Rao Mahodayah Anyatamaha. So, how this Pravahati, they said, the literature flows. But how it will flow? If there are some writers to write stories or novels, then only the literature can flow, right? So, there must be some writers then in Sanskrit also in this modern age. So, that's what they are saying. Teshu, in those writers, Adhunika Lekhakeshu, in this modern day Sanskrit writers, Kirtishesha. So, one of the famous, Kirtishesha, the famous one of the famous writer is Dr. B.S. Ramakrishna Rao Mahodayah. Okay, one of them. Ayam Pathyabhagaha Etena Mahodayena Anuditat Samskrita Gadya Lekhavali Namaka Granthat Sangrahya Sankalitaha. Now they are saying about this story, this lesson. Ayam Pathyabhagaha, this lesson is is given here. Sankalitaha is published here. From where? Samskrita Gadya Lekhavali. From that book, Sanskrit, there is a book called Samskrita Gadya Lekhavali, where only you can find Sanskrit Gadya, Sanskrit prose, like might be some long stories or short stories like that. So from that Namaka Grantha, from that book, Sangrahya, from that book we have collected and we have published here. So who has done this book, Samskrita Gadya Lekhavali? It is not own writing, but it is an anuditat. It's a translated one. Maybe from English or from some other languages, he has translated some good stories into Sanskrit, and he had made a book called Samskrita Gadya Lekhavali. From that book they have given this. From this Sanskrita Gadya Lekhavali, from this book which is translated into Sanskrit from different languages, from that book this lesson has been taken. Kathayaha Moolalekakastu Dr. D. Shivaramakrishnan Mahodayah. Moolantu Angla Bhashaya Virachitam. Exactly. They are saying now the story's Moola, the origin of the story is in English. Moolantu Angla Bhashaya Virachitam. The main story, the original story is in English. So, who has written this one? Dr. D. Shivaramakrishnan. So, someone called Dr. D. Shivaramakrishnan has written this story in English. So, Dr. B.S. Ramakrishna Rao, he has translated this story into Sanskrit. That's what they are saying in this beginning part. Let us see the main words from this part, from this Pitika, from this paragraph. Vipulam, yeah, abundance or many, you can take so many in that meaning. You can take this one. Yeah. Then Avicchinnata, yeah, continuity. There is a continuity. There is no cut in between. The flow was a continuation. There was a continuation flow. Anuditaha, yes, translated or translation, whatever. Moolam, root or origin, whatever we can take. Samskrita Gadya Lekhavali, it's a name. Samskrita Gadya Lekhavali is the name of that book. Pravahati, it should be Pravahati. Small mistake is here. Pravahati is flowing. Now the story starts. Subhruhu Sukeshi, Sudati, Suvarna, Sa Sulocha. Yeah, they are explaining girl, how Sankshepataha Chet Smartavya Sarvavayava Sundari. They are saying, what is that? Subhru is a nice eyebrows. Subhru, nice eyebrows. Sukeshi, a long hair or good hair. Sudati, nice teeth. Suvarna, in a bright color. And Sa Sulochana, that girl Sa, she is Sulochana, wide eyes in that way. So Sankshepatashret, if we have to tell briefly, Sankshepataha briefly, Smartavya Sarvavayava Sundari. She was a beautiful girl, or she is a beautiful girl. Once we see, we feel to see that girl again and again. That kind of girl she is. Who? Sa, that girl, that's all. He is not telling the name of that girl now only, just he is saying she. That's all. Okay. स्वीये तारुण्ये वर्तमान विंशतिके वयसि विराजमान सा सर्वजनमनोहर सदा रमणीया च. And he is explaining the girl again. Sviye tarunya, that girl is in her tarunya, she is in very young age, she is in her youth age. Taruni, like a youth. Vartamana, she is in that age, youth age. So vimshatika vayasi, around 20 years, must be 20 years old. Virajamana, yeah, she is there in that age. Sa, that girl again, sa sarvajana manohara. Sarvajana manohara means she is, she is attracting all the people towards her. Sarvajana manohara, all the people wanted to see her. That kind of beauty she got. Sada ramaniya, she was very beautiful always. Sumadhura lavanyena subhagaveshena sadacharai susmitaihi susamskrita vrittena cha anitara sadharanam apurvam akarshanam asit asyaha ananarvinde. So whenever we see her, see, generally whomever we see the face. Okay, by seeing their face only, sometimes by seeing their face, by seeing their eyes only, we can tell whether they are happy or they are sad, right? That's what they are saying now. See, Sumadhura Lavanyena, she was very beautiful, that's true. Sumadhura Lavanya, she was having good appearance. Subhaga Veshena, always she used to wear a good dress. See, by our dress also people can think, people can judge us, because of if someone is wearing a good cloth, a white cloth, ironed one, very disciplined manner, then people can tell, definitely he is grown up in a disciplined way. Some people will be wearing some tone thing, this thing, that thing, and all, like there is no iron, all these things. So all we can easily tell there is no discipline in that particular person's life. So Subhaga Veshena, she was wearing a good dress, ironed cloth, washed, clean dress, in that way. Sadacharaihi, she was having a good character. Susmitaihi, always a smile in her face. There used to be a smile in her face always. Susamskrita vritta. So by all this, if we see, we can understand this girl is she is coming from a good cultured family, or cultural family. Susamskritam, cultured family. Cha anitara sadharanam apurvam akarshanam. So there was an attraction asyaha ananaravinde, on her face. Akarshanam asit, on her face there was an attraction. That attraction was apurvam. We haven't seen that kind of attraction on anyone's face before. That kind of attraction, apurvam, haven't seen before. That is what apurvam. Anitara sadharanam, that attraction was not a normal thing, some special attraction or attractive face she got actually. Anana Aravinda, he is here, and Anana Aravinda means Ananam is face, Aravinda is lotus. So her face was like a lotus in that way, which means very beautiful. Then continues Siddha Vastra Vikraya Shalayam Karmanirata Sa. And where she was working in Sa, that girl was working in Siddha Vastra Vikraya Shala. Shala word will be used in many ways actually in Sanskrit. Shala, one word is the school. If you say Bhojana Shala, then we can call it as a dining hall. Then the same way Vikraya Shala means where Kraya Vikraya, taking and giving, which means selling will going on, which means a market is also called Shala. Vikraya Shala. Depending on the prefix, that Shala word gets changed its meaning actually. Siddha Vastra means Vastra is cloth, Siddha means ready. Okay, Siddha Vastra means ready-made dress. So she was working in a shop, in a garments actually, in a garments where there used to be a huge buying and taking of ready-made clothes. So Karmanirata, she was working there. Then Sopana Panktishu Prakoshtabhyantareva Agachantyam Tasyam Nishkaranam eva tam drashtum aham Vitikataha Sumukham Unnamaya Asakridva Tan Mukhakamalam Drishtva Tataha eva Sviyam Karyalayam Prati Gachan Asam Nirapavadataya. So now the person will come here. One who is explaining this girl. What he is saying? Sopana panktishu. Sopana panktishu is steps. Prakoshtha abhyantareva. Prakoshtha is a room. Abhyantara means inside a room. Agachantyam tasyam. So what happened? Nishkaranamitam aham. Let us take from here. Aham. I used to, or I try to see her every day when Sopana Panktishu, whether she is moving on the steps, coming down or going up. See, so ready-made clothes center means it will be very big one, right? 2-3 floors will be there. So definitely we should, the people who will be there to show the dresses to the customers, so they have to go up and down, they should come down, all these things should be done. So Sopana Pankti, so on the steps she used to move up or down. Otherwise inside a room she used to show the clothes to the people. Prakoshta abhyantar, inside a room. So agachantyam, so coming, so whenever she is coming, tasyam nishkaranameva tam drashtum. So without any reason, nishkaranam, without a reason, without any reason, I wanted to see her, whether she was moving here and there, just like that. I wanted to see her. Tam drashtum aham. So to see her, I had a desire to see her every day. For that, what I used to do? Vithikataha. Vithika is footpath. Let us take footpath or way. From a road, let us take Vithika, footpath or a road, small roads, pipelines we call, no? That is what Vithika. Swamukham unnamaya. What I used to do? So my face, I just, I used to stand in front of that garment, and I used to lift my face and I used to search, where is she today? Today, whether she is, moving on the steps, or she is inside a room, or she is just entering the garments to work. Somehow, where is she? I used to search for her. And then, unnamaya means lifting up. Swamukham unnamaya. If we have to search, if we are not able to find something, just generally we lift our head and we will see, the same way, unnamaya, lifting head. Sakrit asakritva tan mukhakamalam drishtva. Sakrit, once or many times, I used to see her face. Tan mukhakamalam drishtva. I used to see her face. Tataha eva, after that only, after seeing her every day, after seeing her only, Sviyam, I used to go to my office, Karyalaya, my office, Prati Gachan Asam Nirapavadataya. Without missing, I used to go to my office every day after seeing her once or twice or thrice or many times from outside the gate of that garments. That is what the person is saying. Important words, no? Subruhu, as I said, eyebrows. Sukeshi, good hair or long hair maybe. Sudati, actually dantaha is tooth, dantaha is teeth. Sudantaha is one who is having good teeth, means like white color or a small nice one in that way. So Sudati, it's an adjective for a girl, so they have given Sudati, Strilinga. Suvarna, good color means must be bright color. Sulochana, good eyes. Smartavya Sarvavaya Sundar, a complete girl, to be remembered often. Generally, if a girl is quite attractive, people will see her always, obviously, often, many times. Virajamana. Virajamana, exact meaning is not shining, but in this context we are taking as shining. Virajamana is like, see, we say generally how Simhasane Virajamanaha, one who is shining in the throne. In that way we can take. See, in your history books also you could see this one, Virajamanaha Ashokaha, in that way. So one who just by sitting in a throne only, in a particular chair, that chair also will be attracted. That kind of personality we say, no? That is what Virajamana. Okay, shining, no problem. Sarvajana Manohara, liked by everyone. Sarvajana Manohara. Subhaga Veshena, good attributes, whatever, good appearance. Sadachara, good behaviors. Susamskrita Vrittam, good attitude. Akarshaniyam, yes, attractive. Siddha Vastra Vikrayashala, that's what, garments. Karma Nirata, so means she is working there, tied up with some work, whatever. Sopana Panktishu, on the steps. Prakoshta Abhyantar, inside the room. Nishkaranam, no reason, without any reason. Vithika, footpath or a road. Yes, now they are explaining the Vastrapana, yeah, the cloth center. Saha Vastrapanah yatra esha karyanirata kathamapi kutuhaljanakah eva. Again, he is saying, you know what he is saying? Saha Vastrapanah, that Vastrapana, that cloth center where she was working, yatra esha karya, the cloth center where this girl was working, somehow that cloth center is a curious place. It's a curious place because of that girl. Again, he is continuously saying bahistitaha kopi, someone who is standing outside. Bahistitaha, bahi is outside, stitaha is standing, someone is standing outside. Kopi manuja pashu, any manuja pashu, someone, a man, okay, anyone. Manuja pashu is a human being, okay. Kopi means a boy or a male, someone. Apanabhyantaram drashtum na parayati sma. So it was very difficult to see inside the cloth center. Na parayati is one who is able to see, one who is able. Na parayati, one who is not able. So apanabhyantaram, one who is not able to see inside the apana, inside the cloth center. Tathapi, but also, even if someone stands outside, or from outside someone is not able to see the rooms of this cloth center, but also yada kadava क्वचित काचित कमनीय रूपा ललनामणि यवनिकाभ्यंतरे एव दृष्टिपथम आयाति स्म स्वकर्तव्य निर्वहण निमग्ना वस्त्र विशेषाणां विशिष्टालंकार कर्मणि व्यापृता अलिखिता अप्सराः इव. What is saying? See, from outside we cannot see anyone of this cloth center people, but also somehow what used to happen sometimes yada kadava, but also sometimes yada kadava kvachit kachit kamaniya rupa, someone very good, beautiful looking girl, kamaniya rupa, a good looking girl, lalanamanihi yavanika abhyantare. So behind the cloth, what do you say for that? If there is a cloth, behind the cloth someone is standing and doing some work. From this side we can see, so some clothes will be there, very transparent one. So that is called yavanika, the transparent cloth which will be spread over. Yavanika abhyantare eva drishtipatham ayati sma. We from outside we could see like how there used to be a curtain kind of thing which used to be very transparent. Through that we used to understand some girl over there. So what kind of girl? Swakartavya nirvahana nimagna. So the girls used to be involved in their work. What kind of thing? Or what kind of work? Vastra visheshanam vishishtaalankara karmani. So generally what they will do, when people will come, they will open the cloth and they will show, and the front, back, all the wide and the length, everything they will show. If the customer buys, that's okay. If he doesn't buy, then they will again fold it back and keep it there. So vishishta alankara karma, generally what they will do, in a different angle they will arrange the clothes one by one, no? So all these works will be there in the cloth center. Vyaprata, so the girls will be involved. Vyaprata is involved in these kind of works. So alikhitaha apsaraha eva. So I used to think they are all like apsaras, they are all like angels. I used to think like that. He is saying, the writer. Then आपणस्य प्रवेशद्वारे अपि काचित् महती काचपेटी यत्र एका निर्जीवा पुत्तलिका सजीवा इव प्रतिदिनं नवनवीनं परिधानविशेषं धारयन्ति रसिकमनांसि विनोदयन्ति ग्राहकान् आकर्षन्ति विद्युत् पञ्जरबद्धा अपि स्वतन्त्रा इव विराजमाना विशिष्य मादृशान् मोहयन्ति अतिष्ठत्. And even Praveshadwara, entrance of that shop, there was a kachit mahati kachapeti. There was a glass box. Kachapeti is glass box. There was a very big mahati, very big glass box in front of that cloth center or cloth shop. Praveshadwara, entrance of that shop. And inside that box, Nirjiva Puttalika. There was a Puttalika, idol, Puttalika. Nirjiva, yes, idol must be Nirjiva only. Sajiva, even if that Puttalika is Nirjiva, but also like a Sajiva, like someone is having life. Pratidinam, every day, Navanavinam Paridhana Vishesham Dharayanti. Every day that Puthalika, that idol, used to wear different new kind of clothes. By wearing that, Rasika Manamsi Vinodayanti. People, if there is some beautiful thing, people will stand for a while and they will see, oh my god, it's looking so beautiful in that way. Vinodayanti, entertaining. Grahakan Akarshayanti, even the Grahaka customers will be attracted by that. She used to, that idol used to attract the customers. And even Vidyut Panjara Baddha api. Vidyut Panjara, Vidyut means power. It's connected with the power. Even if the box is connected with the power, Swatantra Iva Virajamana. So she used to shine like she is independent. In that way she used to shine. Actually, she was Baddha. She was not an independent one. Why? Because it's an idol. Used to be covered with all the glass, and power supply will be there. So night time it will be shining, all these things. No? Vishishya Madrishan Mohayanti Atishtat. And Visheshena, especially that kind of thing used to attract me and like-minded people. Then he is saying, who the author, then Suvihita Vastra Vinyasa cha iyam Puthalika tasyaha tarunyaha sadrishyam vahanti iva sandrishyate sma. And what I was thinking, he is saying, the author is saying, what I was thinking, Suvihita Vastra Vinyasa cha iyam. So very beautiful Vastra Vinyasa, designed clothes will be there on that Puthalika idol. And I used to think that girl, I was talking about the girl in the beginning, right? So that there is no difference between that girl and this idol. Sadrishyam, both also were looking very similar. Sandrishyate sma, I used to think like that. Desha Videshanam Vimanapattananam Vinakrita Karavisheshanam Vastrapananam Madhye Upalabhyamanaha Japana Shatikaha Dhritva. And how that Puthalika was, how that idol was. Desha Videshanam means very different countries, foreign countries. Vimanapattanam means where there is where there are airports, means big cities. Vina Krita Karavisheshana, so handmade clothes, hand loomed clothes. There is Vastrapanana Madhye Upalabhyamanaha. So okay, so that idol or that Pratima, that was having a sari, Sharika sari, something Japan, means Japan sari. Maybe the sari is imported from Japan, I think. So that Japan sari was there on that idol, and that sari was very special because it will be available only in the cities, major cities. That's why they are saying Karavisheshana, means hand loomed cloth. Only it will be available. It would be available in the major cities. That's the reason they said Vimanapattananam. Desha Videsha means in the foreign, or even in the country also. Okay, which means these kind of costliest clothes will be available only in the cities. That's the reason he is saying like that. We'll see the important words. Vastrapanaha, clothes center, as we see. As we have seen, Kutuhalajanakaha, creating the curiosity. Apanabhyantaram, inside the shop. Parayati, can, able, capable, whatever. Kamaniya Rupa, beautiful. Lalana Manihi, girl. Yavanika Abhyantar, behind the screen. Drishtipatham, eyesight, vision, looking at, whatever. Vyaprata, covered. No, Vyaprata means involved. I mean, Vyaprata is covered in a different context, but here we need to take involved. Why? Because the girl will be involved in her work of the cloth center. Kachapeti, glass box. Puthalika, idol. Navanavinam, very new. Paridhana Vishesham, cloth. Vinodayanti, pleasant. Grahakan, customer. Vidyut Panjara Baddha, box connected with the power. Whatever. We have seen these kind of things in the city, right? Japanese sari, that's what. Vimanapattananam, which means cities. Upalabhyamanaha, available in the cities. That's all over now.